In this video, you are going to learn 8 most useful Figma plugins for UI/UX design. Number 1, Mockup plugin. If you need to show a visual representation of your design to your clients so that they can see how it looks like in real life, then you need this Mockup plugin that I'm going to reveal to you in this video. So in order to use the Mockup plugin, all you need to do is to right click, then you are going to see plugins, then come to this section, click on manage plugins, then search for Mockup plugin. This is it, click on it. All you need to do is to click this arrow so that you can move to the next page. Don't worry, you are going to be using this Figma plugin for free. So to use it for free, click on view all plans. Then under this section, you are going to click on this hamburger icon. Then you are going to see free mockups. Click on it. You can see these are tons of free mockup that has loaded for you. So you can search for anyone that you need to. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be selecting this one. So I'll click on it. I have this website design that I wanted to use. So then to use this mockup, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon. Then you are going to click on the frame that you wanted to mock up. Click on the frame to select it and it's going to start loading. Now, so after it's done loading, click on crop. It's done. All you need to do is to click on paste. So this is how the mockups looks like so far. Number 2, illustration kit. Anytime you need a vector illustration that you can use in your design, then illustration kit is all you need. Click on illustration kits. So these are tons of free illustration that you can use for your design. You can click to select anyone you like. Number 3, brands logo. If you are looking for popular brands logo that you can use in your design, then brands logo is all you need. To use it, click on brands logo and you can search here for anyone that you are looking for. Feel free to search for it here, scrolling until you see the one that you wanted to use. Better still, you can come to this section and search for any brand logo that you are looking for. Number 4, pixabay. If you need a royalty-free picture that you can use in your design, then pixabay has got you covered. Now you can search for any picture that you are looking for. Take for instance, I'm going to search for profile picture. Then click on search. As you can see, it has loaded some pictures that can be used for our design. So take for instance, if I like this one, I can click on it and it's going to insert it. As you can see, this is a picture. Number 5, Iconduck. Anytime you need an icon for your design, then Iconduck is one of the best plugins you can use. So click on it. As you can see, there are a lot of icons that you can use for your design. So feel free to select anyone that you need, or you can also click here to search for anyone you are looking for. 6, Huee. If you wanted to create a color palette for your design, then Huee is one of the best plugins you can use. So click on it to get started and generate a lot of color like the complementary color, triadic, analogous, and the likes. So to make use of it, I'm going to paste this particular color code that I wanted to use. So I'll paste it. You can see immediately I pasted this color code, it has helped us to generate this color palette. Feel free to select anyone that you need for your design. If I like to use this one, I can click on this plus icon and it's going to insert the color palette. As you can see, this is the color palette that I've selected. So feel free to select anyone based on your choice. Number 7, Icons 8 background remover. If you wanted to remove the background from any picture so that you can make use of it in Figma, then Icons 8 background remover is all you need. To make use of it, you can click on it. You are going to see this pop up. Click on remove background. It's loading currently. It has done a perfect job. As you can see, the background has been removed from this picture. Number 8, Lorem Ipsum. Anytime you need to generate a random text or a dummy text, you can set it the way you like. Maybe you want it to generate it in words, or you want it to generate it in sentences or paragraph or character. You can also click on this auto generate. Anyone that you like, you can click on it. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to click on words. So then I'm going to type 20 words. So I want it to generate 20 words for me. So I'll click on generate. As you can see, the dummy text has been generated. If this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with someone you know that might need the video. Also, turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.